Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to assemble your brand new Ariens zero-turn lawnmower. Let's start by removing the unit from the crate that we shipped it in from our factory in Brillion, Wisconsin. We learned that it's easiest to first remove the crate top and then dismantle the crate sides with a pair of safety goggles, sturdy pair of gloves, and then a crowbar. The first order of business after you remove the walls of the crate and then the top is to locate the literature pack that came with your unit. This is likely going to be somewhere around the seat or the footplate area of your mower. And inside, you'll find an engine manual, an operator's manual, registration information, a key, an assembly guide, and more. Let's start by removing the operator's manual and paging through the safety section so you know you're going to be safe through this assembly procedure. After you read through all pages of the safety section, let's push that mower off the crate pallet. But what we're going to need to do first is to remove the boards from in front of and behind both sets of wheels on the crate base. Then we're going to show you how to push that unit off the base and onto a flat level surface where you can start assembling that mower.
To move the unit manually, pull the transaxle bypass levers on the left and right sides of the unit out and inward slightly to lock in place. Then, push the parking brake lever down to release the parking brake. The unit can now be pushed off the crate base and onto a flat, level surface. Pull the parking brake lever up and push each transaxle bypass lever inward to prevent the unit from moving. Remember to engage the transaxles on both sides of the unit. Remove the cap from the negative battery terminal and discard. Remove the hardware from the negative battery cable end. There should be one bolt, one flat washer, one locking washer, and one nut. Position the negative battery cable end against the negative battery terminal and insert the bolt removed in the last step through both parts. Secure the cable with the flat steel washer first, then the locking washer and the nut, and then tighten the hardware. Rotate the seat and the discharge chute to their operating positions. Loosen and remove the inner steering lever hardware set and remove the eccentric spacer. Rotate the steering lever about 180 degrees upward and reinstall the eccentric spacer into its original position. Then, reinstall and tighten the hardware removed earlier. Repeat the same process for the other steering lever, then align the steering lever heights. To adjust steering lever height, loosen the hardware retaining the eccentric spacer and rotate the spacer until the steering lever reaches its desired height. Then, retighten the eccentric spacer hardware. Align the steering levers by loosening the hardware on one or both of the steering levers and adjust accordingly. Once aligned, retighten the steering lever hardware. Remove the cap from the tire valve stems and check the tire pressures. Rear tire pressures should be between 15 and 18 psi. Front tire pressures should be between 20 and 25 psi. Remove the oil fill cap and dipstick from the engine. Wipe the dipstick clean, reinstall the dipstick, and tighten the oil fill cap. Pause for 1 or 2 seconds, then remove the oil fill cap once more, ensure the oil level reaches the full line on the dipstick, and reinstall the dipstick.
You are now finished assembling your brand new Ariens zero-turn mower. From myself and everyone else in the Ariens family, we say thank you for your purchase. Now, if anything didn't look right or feel right to you while you were assembling your mower, we ask you please reach out to your nearest Ariens dealer at ariens.com/dealers. Our dealers are an extension of our team and are happy to help you with any questions that you might have about your new mower. Additionally, remember to register your unit at ariens.com/registration. Your product registration activates your unit's warranty and it gives us a line of communication back to you in case we need to share any information about your mower. And finally, if you're active on social media, remember to like the Ariens pages on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, Click on the Ariens logo in the lower right-hand corner of the video to subscribe to our YouTube channel.